In the video before this, I had discussed what kind of a right is right to vote, and we came to the conclusion that right to vote is a constitutional right. Now we are going to discuss another right, that is right to information, in this particular video and find out what kind of a right it is. Hi guys, I'm Ayushi, your mentor for law entrance exams, and welcome to Law Digest. Now as I had discussed earlier also कि जो राइट्स हैं हमारे वो तीन कैटेगरीज में हम डिवीजन में देख रहे हैं, फंडामेंटल राइट्स, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट्स एंड स्टैट्यूटरी राइट. Just in case you have missed out on my previous video, I have attached a link of the same in the top right corner. You can go and watch the same. Now fundamental right, as I discussed earlier, is falls under part 3. जो part 3 में given है of the constitution, that is a fundamental right, and violation के लिए you can approach the court. Similarly, constitutional rights are those rights that are given in the constitution but they are given outside part 3, and उनकी enforcement के लिए भी, for their enforcement you can approach the courts. And statutory rights are those rights which are given in the law that is made by the parliament, and they are to be cleared out, they are to be enforced through the agencies or the bodies that have been prescribed in the statute only. Now what is the objective of right to information? हमारा ये जो right है to get information, what is it about? What is the objective behind it? The objective is कि citizens को वो information मिल सके जो public authorities के पास है. It is the right, democratic right of the citizens to get access to the information that is available to the public authorities, so that transparency and accountability हो सके of the way कि public authorities किस तरह से function कर रही हैं, वो चीजें transparently सब लोग देख सके. It can be made transparent to everyone, and the authorities can be held accountable in case there is a problem. Now, what kind of a right is right to information? It is a fundamental right as per Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution. 19(1)(a) के अंदर क्या बातें करी गई हैं? All citizens shall have the right to freedom of speech and expression. 19(1)(a) हमारे उस freedom की बात करता है जहां पर we have the right, we have the freedom of speaking anything or expressing ourselves. तो जब हम ये बातें कर रहे हैं expressing ourselves, speaking के बारे में, तो right to information भी उसी right के अंदर impliedly fall होता है. And also there is a separate statute for right to information, that is RTI Act, Right to Information Act 2005 दिया हुआ है. अब जैसे आप देखेंगे कि RTI Act के अंदर बहुत सारी RTIs फाइल होती हैं प्रेजेंटली. जैसे एक बहुत बेसिक एग्जांपल आई लाइक टू गिव कि कोविड सिचुएशन में जब पीएम केयर्स फंड को पैसे ट्रांसफर करे गए तो बहुत सारी आरटीआईज हुई कि हमें पीएम केयर्स फंड के बारे में और इंफॉर्मेशन दी जाए, ये जो फंड है इसकी अकाउंटेबिलिटी क्या है, ये पैसे कहाँ जा रहे हैं, इसके बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन सीख करी गई. So several RTIs keep getting filed each and every day. तो ये जो हमारा right है to seek information from the government, from the public authorities as to what is happening behind the doors that are close to us, that is essentially our right to information, and it is a fundamental right as per Article 19(1)(a). सुप्रीम कोर्ट का क्या कहना है इस पे? राजनारायण वर्सेस इंदिरा नेहरू गांधी के केस में 1975 में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने ये बोला था कि एक कंट्री के जो लोग हैं उनके पास ये राइट है ये जानने का, टू नो कि पब्लिक एक्ट, जो भी एक्ट्स गवर्नमेंट कर रही है वो एक्ट्स क्या हैं, एंड उनके बारे में सारी जानकारी के लिए people can access the same, people can seek for the information as to how everything is done, how our public functionaries are performing their functions. That right to information forms a part of the fundamental rights under Article 19(1)(a). 19(1)(a) के अंदर स्पेसिफिकली इस केस में ये बोला गया कि ये एक फंडामेंटल राइट है. Disclosure of information about government and right to know about the government directly flows from Article 19(1)(a. ये भी कहना था सुप्रीम कोर्ट का इस जजमेंट में, and it basically said that it is a fundamental right that is guaranteed to us as per the Constitution of India, and separately obviously a statute बनाया गया है separately. RTI Act already exists, तो statutory right तो है ही, साथ साथ right to information हमारा एक fundamental right है. So with this video ends. Just in case you have any further doubts or queries, you can mention the same in the comment box below, and do hit the like button if these videos are of help to you. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos.